Today we talk about accommodation-related phrases. When I was looking for accommodation in Taiwan, I basically found myself more or less always in the three situations. First, I needed to find a hotel. Second, I needed to find out whether some room is available. And third, I needed to figure out the price. So, when we ask for a place, you know already the phrase in German, where is, how to say in German, where is? Yeah, you remember. Wo ist? Wo ist? And now you add the word hotel. Very easy. Wo ist das Hotel? Imagine you have already ordered the hotel, so you are familiar with the hotel name. So you can add the hotel name as well. You ask, where is the hotel Crown? Crown is Krone. Wo ist das Hotel Krone? Wo ist das Hotel Krone? And if you have not yet found an accommodation, you can also just generally ask, where is a hotel? Wo ist ein Hotel? Ein means a, just any hotel. So, wo ist ein Hotel? Say it again, please. Wo ist ein Hotel? And then, when you have found a hotel, of course, you need to find out whether there is some room available. So you go to the reception desk and you ask, do you have a room available today? Haben Sie ein Zimmer frei für heute? Für heute means for today. Frei means free. Zimmer is a room. So, haben Sie ein Zimmer frei für heute? Of course, when you are traveling alone, you would ask for a single room. Single room in German means Einzel. Einzel is single. Einzelzimmer. Try to speak that. Einzelzimmer. And if you are together, you would ask for a double room. So that would be Doppelzimmer. Doppelzimmer. Very good. After you have secured that you get a room for tonight, you want to ask the price. We also know this already. Was kostet das? How much is it? Say again. Was kostet das? Okay, guys, now you are set with some basic phrases and you can do the booking of a hotel room. Well done! Tomorrow, I will talk to you about money-related phrases. Hope to see you there and have a nice day. Enjoy. Bye-bye. If you like my classes, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There is also a bell icon. If you click that bell, you will be notified each time I post a new mini lesson.